Welcome.
We got ideas.
Thank you again for all of your support. Today we will learn how to draw a duck. So grab your art supplies. But before we do, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and happy drawing. Let's begin by drawing the area for the face and some of the body. Wow, doesn't that remind you of a backwards number 3? Here we will draw the duck's hair. Next, we will draw the remaining of the duck, including its feathers. Now let's draw the duck's wing. Look what a great job you are doing. We're almost there. Let's move on to the duck's bill. We can't forget the eye. Let's add a small curved line under the eye to give it a cheek. Let's add a few lashes. Draw the eyebrow. And lastly, the feet. Almost done. All you have to do now is color it. Fun fact. Did you know that the adult male ducks are referred to as drakes and the adult female ducks are referred to as hens or ducks? Great job, everyone. Remember, little artists, if you want to submit your artwork to me, email me at the email address below.
Like, share,
Subscribe.